Hello, friends, and welcome. Today, we are going to talk about 5 key insights into EBITDA, what it is, and why it matters in finance. Before we jump into the video, make sure you like the video and subscribe to our channel for more educational videos. Now, let's get started. EBITDA, earnings before interest, taxes, depreciation, and amortization, is a critical financial metric in evaluating a company's profitability and performance. Here are 5 key insights into why EBITDA matters in finance. 1. Definition of EBITDA. EBITDA measures a company's core earnings, excluding expenses related to financing, taxes, and non-cash items like depreciation and amortization. 2. Profitability indicator. It focuses on operational performance, making it easier to compare companies across industries by removing the effects of financing and accounting decisions. 3. Cash flow proxy. While not a direct measure of cash flow, EBITDA is often used as a proxy for a company's ability to generate cash from operations. 4. Valuation metric. Investors and analysts use EBITDA in valuation multiples, EV/EBITDA, to assess a company's value relative to its earnings potential. 5. Limitations. EBITDA ignores capital expenditures and changes in working capital, so it doesn't reflect a company's true cash flow or profitability after necessary investments. Conclusion: EBITDA is a widely used metric for assessing profitability, but understanding its limitations is essential for making informed financial decisions. I hope that you liked the video and do follow our channel for more professional and business tips and other interesting videos. Thank you and goodbye.